Hi friends and welcome back to English Vocab Short YouTube channel, and I welcome you all in this video. So let's start today's video with an overview that we are going to learn read between the lines, at stake, pink slip, ASAP, and there are 10 words which we are going to learn, and these words are really very much useful if you are planning to work in BPO centers or some other communication processes, and I'm damn sure that you will get something, you will get some additional advantage if you see this video, because you may not be knowing some words which will be needed in those sectors. So let's start this video one by one. So the first one which you are gonna learn is read between the lines, which means understand something that isn't communicated directly. So here is an example. If you want to date a girl, then you need to read between the lines. I thought that this is the most sensitive matter, and this would be the best example for you to understand the meaning of read between the lines, which means understand something that isn't communicated directly. So dating a girl is also not communicated directly. So this is a perfect example. Read between the lines means understand something that isn't communicated directly. Next one is pink slip, which means a notice of dismissal from employment. Mostly this word is used in BPO centers that if you do not complete the task by today, then you will be fired or you will be given the pink slip by the employer. Pink slip means it is a notice of dismissal. It is used for firing some employee from the job. So let's see an example. More than millions of employees got pink slip from their companies due to COVID-19 pandemic, and this is a true fact that millions of employees have been fired from their respective companies due to lack of job and due to COVID-19 lockdown. And pink slip is really a good word if you want to memorize this word, and it will be needed if you are planning to work some for some communication processes, and it will be an additional advantage for you if you know the meaning of this word, and if you are planning to work in such kind of BPO centers, and you may come across this word at any point of time if you are really willing to work in some BPO centers. Now let's see the third one, which is at stake, which means at risk. We have seen this word so many times from the employer that if you do not complete the assigned project at time, then your job will be at stake. This means your job will be at risk. Let's understand this through an example. Many people are willing to put their lives at stake for the trials of COVID-19 vaccine, and this is the true fact that many volunteers are coming forward for the trials of COVID-19 vaccines, and this is actually a proud moment for us that there were around hundreds of candidates who came forward for the trials of COVID-19 vaccine without any fear, and for just for the success of these trials. So we really appreciate those things. So the third one was at stake, which means at risk. Now let's move further. The fourth one is ASAP. It is an acronym which means as soon as possible. Let's understand this through an example. I have requested a replacement SIM card and requested them to send it to me ASAP. That means I did not say the complete word, which is as soon as possible. I simply said ASAP. I want that thing done ASAP. You will hear this kind of statements from the consumers or from the customers in BPO centers so many times that they will request you to do a particular task for them ASAP. And if you are working for BPO centers, then you may come across many customers who will text you that I want this problem to be resolved ASAP. So ASAP means nothing but it is an acronym which is used to refer as soon as possible. So I hope that you have understood this thing. Let's move further. The fifth one is no time to lose, which means it is an idiom which is also used in these communication processes. So no time to lose means a lot of pressure to finish something quickly. If you will see this word, then you can make out the meaning of this word by seeing the words which are used to make this idiom. No time to lose, that means there must be some pressure because of which we do not have much more time to lose. So let's see the meaning of this word, which is a lot of pressure to finish something very quickly. Let's say an example. We were working the whole night on this project because we had no time to lose. That means we were working under a lot of pressure, so because of which we did not have time to sleep, so we worked the whole night. Sixth one is see eye to eye, which means agree with someone. See eye to eye means I have seen many people using this idiom without knowing the actual meaning of this word. So for them, I would request them to search first about that word, and if you are watching this video, then you will get to know about the meaning of this word, which means agree with someone. Let's say an example. Working as a team means seeing eye to eye with one another in most of the cases. That means if you are willing to work as a team, then you need to see eye to eye with your members. That means you need to be agree on some matters in the team. So let's move further without any delay. Seventh one is round the clock, which means 24 hours a day. Round the clock, you must would have heard this word so many times, and you may not be knowing the meaning of this word called round the clock. It is actually not a word, it is an idiom which is mostly used by the native speakers. So let's understand the meaning of this word, which is 24 hours a day. And let's say an example, we have been working round the clock from last 5 days to get this project. That means there may be some pressure on the employee to finish some projects, so they were working round the clock. That means they were working 24 hours. Now let's see the eighth one, which is catch someone off guard. This is little difficult kind of word, but trust me, this is very easy if you start using this word very often. So let's know the meaning of this word, which is surprise someone by doing something that wasn't expected. Let's understand this through an example. CSK team caught me off guard. That means CSK team, Chennai Super King team, actually surprised me by doing something which I did not expect. And what was the thing which they did? They won the tournament. They won the IPL tournament without Dhoni. So is it really possible for the CSK team to win the IPL tournament? I would request you all to text me and just comment on that topic just below this video. Now let's see the ninth one, which is not going to fly, which means any solution that isn't effective. We can simply say that the solution, that the formula which you are giving is not going to fly. That means the formula is not going to be effective at all. So let's see it through an example. I believe that starting local trains without stringent provisions would not fly amid COVID-19. I just forgot to type COVID-19. That is my mistake. So I hope that you have understood this example. The example was, I believe that starting local trains without stringent provisions. Stringent means strict provisions would not fly amid COVID-19. And amid means between. So you can simply say that during this lockdown, will it be a good idea of starting local trains? I don't think that this idea is gonna fly, but still let us believe on our government. And the last one, which is the 10th one, is call it a day. It is an ordinary kind of word which I shouldn't had included, but this was the last 10th one, so I thought of including this word only because there may be some people, there may be some extra kind of chances in which the people may not be knowing the meaning of this word. Call it a day, which means decide to stop working for the day. Let us see an example. I worked for 2 hours continuously for making a video, then called it a day. That means I worked for 2 hours continuously and then I called it a day. That means I decided to stop working for the day. So that is a real fact that I worked for 2 hours for this video. So I hope that you have liked the video, and if you have liked it, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, and wait for the next video.